I've complained about ActiveCampaign's form builder for a while now. Um, it's just not, it doesn't provide the design elements that you need to make a compelling form. But what I found today is a new form builder that integrates directly with ActiveCampaign. It's called Hustle. It's available in the WordPress repository, and I'll leave it as a link um, in the in, in the description for you to access. Super easy to use. Lets you create pop-ups that on exit intent, on scroll timing, on just the amount of time that you're sitting on the home page. Terrific, um, terrific plugin. So I'm just going to show you how it works. So this is a development site that I use, and I am just going to open up. First, I'm going to show you the integrations. Okay, so right now I have ActiveCampaign already integrated, but you can do Aweber Campaign Monitor. There's a list that you can choose from, all in the free version of the app. All it requires is that you enter in the app URL, the API URL, and the API key, and then name the connection. I just call this AC Sandbox because it's my sandbox account. All right, so I'm just going to create a simple pop-up here to show you. So if you click on create, and we're going to do monthly newsletter. Okay, and I'm going to choose a template. You can start from scratch if you like, or you can use one of their templates, which are kind of nice. But I'm just going to take something simple here, just a newsletter sign up. Okay, we'll leave it as newsletter sign up, which is fine. And we're going to keep this as is. The only thing you want to do then is go into integrations. Okay, and you want to, ActiveCampaign is set up to be used on the forms. It's just not connected to this form. In order to connect it, you just click on the plus sign over here. You choose the account you want to attach to the form because you're going to have multiple accounts on different forms. Click continue. We're going to continue. And we're going to sign them up to the monthly newsletter. And click save. And now it's connected. So these are the active apps now. Okay. And we are going to publish it. Whoops. Forgot one thing. On the behavior. Okay, right now it will come. So if I go to, I'm going to bring this up in another browser window. If I go here now, okay, it immediately pops up, which may be what you want. Sometimes that can be a little annoying. So I'm just going to copy this and close that and come back here. So instead of having this pop up immediately, I'm going to turn this off, and instead I'm going to turn on exit intent. So if you try to leave the website, then the pop-up will come up. And I'm just going to update this. Okay, and now if we go back to, so I'm going to go to the site. Okay, everything's loaded, and when I try to leave, the newsletter sign up comes up. So now if I type in and hit subscribe. Okay, and now if we come up here and go to my contacts, like I said, this is a sandbox site, and you can see me an example came up, and it's signed up to the monthly newsletter. Could not be easier. Hope you try it, and let me know your comments.